Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this Xiaomi. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Apps section. Then go into Permissions and Permissions one more time. Now you can pick one of your device's features like location and select an app, like AliExpress. Then pick one of those options for this app. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back, as you can see, AliExpress just gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always tap on one of your apps and select See all AliExpress permissions. Then manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!